Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is dreycosting. It's the first time over here. What we do over here is to analyze the financial market, like chop it up in a piece, so each and everyone can understand. What is the role of an auditor? Yes, an auditor. Have you ever looked at a financial statement in order to invest in a company, as in purchase some shares, and wonder to yourself, is this financial statement correct? That is where auditors come in, right? Auditors give an independent assurance to investors that what management has produced on the financial statement in terms of the income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, etc., saying that the company is going good. Auditors give that assurance to shareholders that this is actually accurate information. The auditors play that middleman. So you have the shareholders here, auditors here, and then you have management over here. Auditors are like referees. They're in the middle to give that assurance to the shareholders that things are okay. So what does the auditor do? The auditor take the financial statement, look at each figure on the financial statement, and do detailed testing of the figures of the financial statement to see what management has produced is somewhat true and fair. When I say detailed testing, the auditors are not going to test everything. They're going to do sampling. So for example, if they want to look at the income, they will take the receipt book. If you have 100 sales for the year, the auditor will do a sample of probably 40% of that. If that 40% turns out good, then the auditor will say, from this, we can give reasonable assurance that the sales is accurate. However, if that turns out bad, then the auditor will then have to extrapolate their tests and do probably 100% of the sales. And if that turns out bad, then from that, the auditor will make the report to the shareholders that this financial statement is not giving a true view. If it turned out good, it will also write that report and say this financial statement is giving a true and fair view. So it is important as investors, shareholders, to look at the auditors that actually audit the financial statements. Right there at the top of the financial statement that shows the audit reports. We want to know that those auditors are reputable. Auditors such as Pricewaterhouse, KPMG. So you want to know that those auditors have a good track record in order for you to jump and invest your money into the company and to have that level of assurance that the information that is presented to you is true and fair. And that's it in summary, the roles auditor play when it comes to public company, what you should do in terms of looking which auditor audit the financial statements, use that as a guide and before you can place any reliance on the financial statement that is true and fair before investing and buying a stock. Hope this video brought some value to you. If it did, just smash that like button, and if you have any comments, just leave it below and I'll answer your comments. You can also message me on social media, email me, and I'll always get back to you. Big up everyone.